In this video, I will show you how you can add someone as advertiser in your business manager. So first of all, you will go to the business.facebook.com, and when you will go there, and the similar window will appear to you with your own ad account and your own pages. The next step you will follow is that go to the business settings. You will click on top this button where there are three lines, and then you will go to the business settings. So when you will click on this business settings, a similar window will appear here. Okay, the next step is like you will go to the business settings, and then after coming up to the business settings, you will select from here the people, and here is the option of adding the people. You will click here, add, put the email of a person to whom you want to give access of your own ad account. So next step is you will put the email to whom you want to give access. So I am typing here the email, and after putting the email, here is the option of the employee access. It is automatically on, and then we will go to the next. Here is the first option is the pages. Select the page. If you are like 2 or 3 pages, select the page that you want to give the access. Select that page and select page advertiser from there. Next, in the ad account, select your ad account and ad account advertiser. So like any freelancer or freelance agency that is running your own ad accounts, they will need both access of the page as well as the ad account. And then you will simply click invite, and this email will go to there, and invitation sent to those persons for working on your ad account, and they will check their email and confirm from there, and this will be like the pending will be and he will assign the role on in your ads manager, business manager.